This video guide is about removing the online scam that is coming from the site Promoendingb2.click. This is a deceptive website that may suddenly attack your Google Chrome browser. If you see these pop-ups by Promoendingb2.click, keep in mind that all these pop-ups are fake and you should not trust them. Don't tolerate them. They claim to be related to some well-known security program, but in reality there is no connection between these pop-ups and that decent security program. So all these pop-ups Promoendingb2.click display a lot of faulty messages, scary messages that try to trick you into clicking on this special Stay Protected button. Whenever people do that by mistake, they will be brought to some other deceptive websites. And because of that, the computer may be infected with some potentially unwanted programs. So if you have mistakenly installed any of such potentially unwanted programs, you need to access the menu, go to the control panel of your computer, check the applications that are installed. If you don't find anything suspicious, of course, there is still a problem hidden in your system. But if you do find some suspicious items, don't hesitate to get rid of them. Now, if you don't anything suspicious, but still you experience some problems with your computer or your browser, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on this website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.